How to sign in into StumbleGuys account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in into StumbleGuys account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is of course get the app. To get the app, you can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you get it, open it up. Now after you're on StumbleGuys, you will need to head over to the settings that is on the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon and make sure that you're on the general tab. You'll see the different tabs on the bottom, and after you're on the general tab, tap on continue. That is right here. After you tap on continue, you'll get different options to log in. The first is Facebook, the second is mail, and the third is your Apple account. Tap on your mail or Facebook, whichever you prefer, and after you tap on simply connect, you'll now need to type in your Scoobies account. So simply type that in, tap on continue, and then type in your password. The other way is use your Facebook. Tap on continue, I mean first tap on your Facebook and then tap on continue, and then it should take you to your Facebook's pop-up, and then tap on continue as your username, and yeah, it should basically log you in now. It might take some time depending on your speed, but after you do that, there you go. Now you have been logged in into your account. And yeah, that is basically all for today's video, guys. That is how you can log in into your StumbleGuys account. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.